Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would spend a few minutes to show you how to handle water damaged and warped veneer on furniture pieces that you might find. I find a lot of stuff in the rubbish pile that is also known as the trash heap. And so sometimes it's got a little bit of damage at the veneer area. So I have figured out, I didn't invent this. This is not something that I discovered on my own. I, through the years, have taken tips from other people, watched YouTube videos like everybody else, and figured out that you can fix veneer without having to actually replace it. The piece that I'm working on today is pretty damaged. It has a lot of veneer warping all the way through all the layers. Some people might think that it's not salvageable, but because I am not going to strip down all of the areas where there's damage to expose the wood, I am going to paint those areas. I'm only concerned with flattening out and making it smooth and re-adhered to itself and the underlying structures. And so therefore I have followed this process time and time again, and it always works very well. I have fixed tabletops, I have fixed dressers, I have fixed nightstands. Anything that has veneer you can fix this way. You just have to really decide whether or not you want to expose the wood there or not. This fix is just basically, like I said, for the warping. I'm not really concerned about the chipping because I'm going to Bondo those areas. And then repaint over. So follow this quick little tutorial, if you will, and watch how I do this. And hopefully this will help you in your salvage projects to be confident that you can bring life back into something that looks like it's dead. So let's go. Here is the piece that we will be working on. I pulled this out of the garbage. It was slated for the landfill. It's in pretty rough shape and it looks it. And you will see there that the veneer's all buckled up all the way through to the bottom. Start off by giving it a healthy dose of water with my mister. It helps the glue have more spreadability. Is that a word? This is the coolest tool I have found yet. It is a carpenter's syringe. I got it at the local hardware store. You just squirt some glue in there. I use Tightbond. Generous amount of glue. I really squirt a lot of glue because I really want it to stick, and then it'll squeeze out. You can wipe it back later. More than just the veneer that was buckling in this piece, I wanted to use my brad nailer just to put a couple of reinforcement nails in there. You'll see that it didn't necessarily work for the top veneer piece. That's what the glue is for, but the underneath piece, that thin piece of wood, I really wanted to adhere it back down to the actual frame itself. Here's where it all gets tightened up. I use a piece of scrap wood. I think this was actually a piece of trim from my kitchen, and long enough to cover the whole piece, and then you want to use your clamps and squeeze it all down. But first, make sure any excess glue is wiped off the top so that you don't have the scrap wood sticking to your furniture piece. Excess glue is a good sign. It means that you have enough glue in there to really give you a tight bond. Here we are about 45 minutes to an hour later. I'm going to remove the clamps and remove the board and allow it to dry a little bit more in the air. This Tightbond works really great. You can expect that it'll dry in 30 minutes, but you should hold off on pushing any seams for about 24 hours. But I am going to turn this sucker upright and get to work on stripping the front drawers. Thanks for watching. Remember what this looked like before I began? Well, after stripping some drawers, I found these hidden details on the drawer front and door front. How fun! I can't wait to finish this up. It needs a lot of work still, but I think it'll really turn out nice. Stay tuned and watch the progression because this will be our next video.